Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno12 FS and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, and it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents, favorites, whatever. Just enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, so 3 dots icon, and enter the settings. Right here in this general list, we have to tap on blocked numbers, and basically here we've entered our blacklist. So let's simply tap on add a number, and here we've got the section where we can enter the number manually and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from the specific number. Which is more, at the top you've got the option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by using this switcher, and it basically means that your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can also unblock the number just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.